Hello everyone, welcome to another day of practicing English 90 day series with me. Okay, so today we we are not gonna learn the rules, grammar or role plays. Today we try the different things like because practicing rules, grammars, role plays definitely it's an important thing, but I mean yeah, that's build our foundation. But after covering all these topics, we should also focus on what the topic which we are truly interested, so that when the interesting topics comes in our mind and then we trying to speak them, so we automatically train our brain to adapt that English language naturally. So from so I'm just saying that I'm trying new technique to practice English, like our hobbies, daily routine, morning routine, night routine, day night, early morning talks. These tiny but interesting topics. I mean, just literally describing our whole day in normal English. I hope it works. So, moreoverly, I just wanted to say that just talk in that topic, whether it's friendship, family, day, night, morning routine, evening routine, night routine, your surroundings, your room, your terrace, everything just in your own language, just to emerge in this language. You can also try if you like cricket, so you can watch a cricket commentary, listen to the commentator, cricketers, or any podcast or a movie, and just try to shadow it. Yeah, it definitely works. You can also watch English cartoon movies because I do like it, and if you like you can, but I just wanted to say we improve quickly if we talk about those topic which we are interested in, because interest makes English more natural, not forced. Moreover moreover we quickly recap that what we have covered till today, till yesterday, that we cover a grammar, basic grammar which we need, many role plays, many interesting phrases, vocabulary. I mean, we have already prepared a strong base to adapt our brain to that language. Now, just time to just speak it aloud, watch, listen, read, practice out loud. Now it's time for execution. From tomorrow, we'll talk about those topic which we really interesting, like basic topics, so that it builds our normal understanding, and we get better at expressing English naturally. That's how our confidence grows slowly but surely. And yeah, our English start improving automatically. So at last, I would like to say that we'll cover small basic topics like childhood stories, morning routine, late night talks, early morning talks, and our surroundings, whether it's room or terrace, and what else? Okay, I forgot, but more basic but interesting topics. Literally interesting topic. Yeah, and one more thing, we will also cover the people who we admire. So if you have your own story, just try to create it, speak it aloud, because it definitely works, because I truly implement it. That's why I'm trying to record it so that I get more into it. So yeah, just last, I just want to say that I'm not perfect. I'm just trying to becoming 1% better every single day. If you are learning to stay with me, let's keep learn and build better English and better place to grow, learn more informative things. See you later in the next video. Bye, guys.